Hello everyone, thanks for joining my challenge Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. And if you're interested to know how you can build your own ChatGPT like chatbot experience, and that to be free in a just simple 4 steps, you are in the right place to watch the entire video. So I have this my ChatGPT, or call it Navneet ChatGPT, running on my own laptop. And not only I'm able to run on the one model, I'm able to compare with 2 models. Here I'm having the Ollama 3.2, 1 billion parameter, and having the DeepSeek, right? So 1.5. You can also see a list of models which is available. So why I am, and then you're able to go and compare it. Hey, this is reasoning, right? It's a reasoning model, still writing it, still thinking. But again, let's go and understand how that gonna work. Cool. So you need to follow this 4 step. The first step which we are looking to do, we are looking to install a Docker container. Why Docker container? Docker container avoid me to mess with my local machine, that is my Mac, or if you're working on Windows, or if you're working on a Linux operating system, right? So the Docker container, think of a virtual environment which provide all the configurations, OS and everything which is needed to run an application. That's nice. Once we have the Docker container, the next thing which we need is we need a place where we're able to run our models. And that's what the Ollama offer. It's an open source platform which allow you to run the large language model locally. And the third, we need some UI, right? How we are having the ChatGPT. So we need this UI, and that UI will be offered by the open UI. And again, it's an open source. So, and at the end, we have to install the models of our need. And we are looking to have all the open source model being installed. So this way we are not paying anything at all. So all this applications, all these steps which is being listed here, or all the application which is being listed on all these steps are free of cost. So you have not to worry about paying any cost at all, right? So let's get started. The first step for me is to go and install the Docker container. So I will be going into this location. I will be going and finding here's the Docker for Mac. I am having the Apple Silicon. If you're having the Intel, you can able to select the Intel, but I'm having the Apple. I will be clicking here and this installation will get done. Okay, I will wait for it to download and then I will install it. So let's see if okay, it's taking some time to, okay, now it's done. Good. So let me go and let me bring it here. Okay, I've been done. I've moved that here. It's moving to an application. It may take some time. Okay, still running. Okay, cool. So we got the Docker container. Let me open it. DOCKER Docker. I have opened the Docker. Yeah, let's open it. Cool. So I'm having this Docker container here. Let me delete this one here, which I was running earlier. Okay, so now we are going and installing the Ollama. So here, again, I will be go here and put installation, download. I will be downloading for Mac. Cool. So it's just, again, it will take some time to get it downloaded and installation. So you have to kind of bear with me in this installation process. If it take long time for us to perform the download, I can pause the video, but for time being, at least I don't think this will take so long for at least for the Ollama to install, right? So here I've been, again, I have to move to my Mac. Okay, I have another window. It's happening in another window, but it's more like you're able to see the zip file. Within the zip file, you're able to see this Ollama. You just have to double click and then it asks you to move to application. So you will be having the Ollama. So let's see Ollama. Let me open it. Cool. Okay, we'll be opening this one. Anyways, so I think you're able to go and have that installed. Meanwhile, let me go and install this one here. So we will be going and installing. So let me go. And so if the Ollama is not on your computer, use this command. So yes, it's running in my computer. I will go and run this into terminal. So let's go and run that into terminal. Here is my terminal. I will be going and making it a little bigger for you. So I will go and run it. Cool. So this is done, and let me see. Yeah, see here, I'm able to see now running on my Docker. Okay, cool. This is how much RAM it's required. Like, you know, this is container usage memory, and this is much of CPU, etc. So let's go and yeah, so we will be going, and next step is we will be going and installing the DeepSeek from the Ollama, right? So I will be going and installing the DeepSeek here. So I will be going with the 1.5 billion parameter here, right? And then I will be going and just simply going and installing it here. Once done, okay, it takes some time because it's a couple GB file, right? So you ensure you have enough space on your Mac or on your PC. This way you will not able to have any issues. I will pause here. So this way I don't think we need to take a pause, but or anyways, let me go and take a pause. It's will be making this video longer unnecessarily. So I will be pausing, and once it will done, I will be coming back. Okay, so this is done. It took some time. So now if you are we are here, what we're looking to do, this is again when we go into the Docker, we're able to see it is running. We will be going and opening this one here within the Docker. Let me show you again. So if you go back into the Docker container, you will be able to see, like, okay, this is the port where you're looking to. If you see here, this is the port which you're looking to run on. So if you go and click, this is how it will be explore the Cosmos wherever you are. Just provide your full name, email address, and a password. So I will be having this full name, email address, and password. Email address will be what was the email address I'm looking to see? I'm having this social media thing, right? So and yeah, okay, so social media ax social media x123@gmail.com. Providing a password. Cool. Create an admin account. We're done. Okay, let's get it. Password. Okay, let's go. Done. Now you're here, and then start writing or typing or asking any question you want. I have already had this 3-4 models. You can have different kind of model altogether, and then you're able to go and, like, if you're looking to make a comparison, right? I said, like, okay, write me why I am awesome for, oh my god, awesome for college application. Cool, right? So model not selected. I will be looking to select the model here. Cool, I will be selecting this model, and then sorry, I have to select the second model because I have put that model. So now I have both the model application. I have both the model, and now once I'm running. So other thing is, like, if you see here, it's asking for the code interpretation. No, I don't need it, but anyways, I will be going and running it. So here again, it's running and providing me all the output, and similarly you can able to go and build your own model, right? build your own ChatGPT like an application. So if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and yeah, like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.